You can't be scared to ask for help at the beginning. Leaning on your community will really lend itself to success. I'm Jaclyn Johnson. I'm the CEO and founder of Create and Cultivate. Create and Cultivate started as a weekend getaway. I reached out to some of my friends, said, hey, would you want to come together, have a few panels, workshops, DIYs, dinners? And really that was the impetus and sort of the beginning of what Create and Cultivate is. Take your creativity seriously. It's about taking that thing that you think could never be a job that actually could be a job. And it wasn't until I really started taking Create and Cultivate seriously as a business did it become a business. When you're first starting a company, you really have to get your hands dirty and you won't be good at everything. I was snapping the photos, I was updating the captions, I was building the website. It's all those different things that you kind of have to jump in and just figure out. I joke I hacked my way into Photoshop because I was really self-taught. I used it to build our website, I used it to design our logo, I used it to build all of our collateral. When you're first starting out, it's really all about networking horizontally. A lot of people, when they get into the work world, they're like, I need to network with this person who's super successful and this person who's super high up. But what I found worked really well for me is I networked with all my peers. And as we got older and as our career grew, we all became very important, very well-connected people. And so we were able to maintain that relationship. So I would really say, look across the room, network with your peers on the way up, because it will really pay off further down the line. The future is yours. Make it.